Yeah, let's wax philosophical about a linked list. It is pretty profound for people who don't know. A node in a linked list doesn't know anything about the world it's in. It only knows about the thing it's linked to, its neighbor. Maybe that's symbolic. It's a metaphor for all of us humans. There's billions of us on this planet, and we only know about our local little network.
Yeah.
And it's kind of beautiful. And you realize, like, in that little simple data structure, you can construct arbitrarily large systems, and they're like roots that go through memory. And then, of course, that's where you get all the programming languages that allow you to dump junk into memory and have memory leaks, and therefore create infinite pain as you try to figure out where that unfreed memory is. For me, yeah, probably it's so beautiful the way you put that. Linked lists are indeed beautiful. Recursion also for me, when I finally wrap my brain around what it means to write a recursive function.
What was the thing? What was the one that taught you? Because I think you probably did factorial where you just do like a quick factorial of it. It just doesn't hit home. What was the thing that kind of made it hit home?
I don't remember the first.
I remember my first. How do you not remember your first? It was magic.
I've had so many that just...
I mean, you are a Lisp guy. You're probably pretty used to the recursion.
Yeah, all I remember is just surrounded by a sea of parentheses. I mean, that's really probably when in high school, I think it was either Java or C++. Wow, how do I not remember that? It must have been C++. And then college, it was the generic bullshit software engineering classes were Java, but then the renegades, the cool kids were all using Lisp. That's when you're doing the AI, the quote unquote AI at that time. That was Lisp. If you want to write a chess engine, you would use Lisp. And so for me, probably the moment I really fell in love with programming was Lisp, and writing like Othello programs and chess engines, all kinds of engines that play a game, and then I could play against that thing, and that thing would beat me. The joy of being destroyed by the thing you've created. And Game of Life too, Cellular Automata. That's when I built that, all kinds of programming languages. That's less about programming languages and more about the system you create. And that just filled me with infinite joy. Having, now similar to the linked list situation, creating a system where each individual cell only knows about its neighbors and operates in a very simple rules. But when you take that system as a whole and allow it to evolve over time, you can create infinite complexity. So I just, man, those are many pothead moments where I'm just like looking at the beautiful complexity that can be created with cellular automata. That filled me with just infinite joy for sure. But yeah, all I remember is parentheses. So my first memories of my first are drowned in a sea of parentheses.